Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to move a sheet into your drive or anywhere in your phone in the Google Sheet application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here. I'm currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I created only for these videos. What I'm gonna do is select a file which I want to move. Let's say I want to select this no file. You can choose your own, of course. Click on these three dots that are right next to it on the right side. Click on those. You'll have to scroll down for a bit until you find an option called move. Click on that, and here it will choose you where you want to move this file to. You can choose it from here, and after that you can just say hit save, and it will automatically be moved to your drive or anywhere you want it to be moved. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.